Hey there, how's it going? Fawn here. Many thanks to my wife Olga who's doing today's videoing. I'm going to do the first video now of the maiden voyages of the craft that I've been building recently. So here they are. This is the folding wing flying boat. This is a speedboat from the other year which I've brought as a rescue boat just in case. And here is flying car boat number 3. And before I do anything else, I just want to show you the retracts that are here. Okay, let's get on and try a little bit of boat mode. Dear Lord, please let this work. Fingers crossed. Maiden voyage, here we go.
Oh.
So there we go, car mode works, yay!
Yay!
Hi again, thanks for joining us. Here we are a week later. I'm going to have another go. It was very windy. Today I'm just testing boat mode on a few of the models, and I'm going to start with the boat that I built the other year. So let's just have a little go on the boat first to dip our toes in the water, so to speak. And many thanks to my fantastic wife Olga for filming.
Am I okay here?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
I'm happy you are a little bit in the way of the boat.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Well done. Bravo.
Thank you. Okay, here we go. Last week you saw this in car mode. The terrible truth is I had so much stuff to pack, I forgot the wings, so I'm just going to try it in boat mode. And I'll be back in a week's time, hopefully, to try more. But here we go, so boat mode. If it works, it's an amphibious craft already. And we'll see about the flying action. Fingers crossed. Here's the maiden. The steering isn't the best. I'm going to have to work a little bit on the rudders, but it's a boat, so it's amphibious. One more go on this for the craft. And finally for today, here we are with the folding wing flying boat. Again, this is the maiden voyage, fingers crossed. Let's see how we go. Whoa, that's quick. Oh, and it's very manoeuvrable. Oh, look at that turning on it with the down, yeah. So boat mode certainly works. Look at that. Will I attempt a little fly?
Yeah.
Let's try that again. I'll just try and take off over there. No. Let's see. Okay. Sugar. It's most excellent in boat mode.
Yes.
Excellent in boat mode. Here we go. One fast go back. Look at that. Look at that. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much for watching. I'll go back to the workshop. God bless. Bye. The impression I'm getting is that these little extension floats off to one side, they're kind of staying under the water and not quite coming up, so when I rebuild I'm going to have to build these up a little bit higher. It's like they're catching under the water, these side floats on the side, which was the opposite I wanted. I'm going to have to bring them forwards and make them a bit bigger, so that they're not kind of keeping it in the water. I think that's the problem, it's not getting up on step, as they call it. When I say on step, I mean this little hydroplane style step right there. If it doesn't get up on step, forget it. And just for the sake of interest, here are the little replaceable rudders which I made up. A little nylon nut and bolt or cable tie would go through there, and they lift off like that, to be replaced with the wheel like this. And then there's a screw here to tighten. So that's how you change from wheels to rudders. Okay, I'm going to try one more flight, this time on land. This grass and stone is quite rough for a model of this size, so I'm not too hopeful. And so I've only got enough power in the battery for one more try, but I'm going to give it a lash. And I fear she's just a bit heavy, but there's only one way to find out. So fingers crossed for one go on land. Let's hope I don't hit that big tree, eh? One more go. Just a tad heavy, but it was a nice try. So here I am, a few days after the unsuccessful attempt at flying carboat number 3. What I have done is I've stuck extra foam in here, and the same on the other side. Let me just show you. So that's what, at least 30% more width on the foam. I have also cut away 1 centimetre all the way along on the backs of the floats, pontoons, hulls, booms, whatever you want to call them. So this is going to give me an extra centimetre of step here and an extra more than 2 centimetres width there. So the final thing is, they say when you're making changes with models, you should do them one change at a time. I have some bigger motors here with bigger props, which I'm very tempted to put on, but I think I should try it with the original setup, the motor that I had. That's an 1800 kV motor with a 7x6 prop. So I'm going to try, and my usual setup is to use a 3-cell 11.1 LiPo battery. So I'm going to try it with the same motor. And hi again. I've rebuilt bigger floats on this, and I'm going to try it just as a speedboat before trying it with the wings. I'm hoping with these floats it'll get up on step and go faster. So I'm just trying it as a speedboat first. Let's see how we get on. So it's much closer to working as a speedboat. I think if it was ever to have a chance of working with the wings, I would need to upgrade the motor, which I may do someday. But for now, that's it. I think a rebuild would be a better idea. But there you go.
Ωραία.
Yeah?
Ναι.
Here we are. I'm afraid I've just quickly and easily put some weight on the nose to give this one more try. The only other option would be an upgrade of either the wings or the motor, but for now I'm just going to quickly try this. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. It's a really nice speedboat.
Okay, love.
What a lovely speedboat. So look, of course, I'm disappointed the two models didn't fly, but as the old saying goes, I grow old learning. Next week or in a few days, I'm going to go back and try the other three models out of the 5. Fingers crossed some of them will fly. But it's all about learning from your mistakes. I feel I've learned a lot. I need to build lighter. I'm very close. An amphibious craft works fully amphibiously, and the other one is a folding wing boat, which is incredibly fast and manoeuvrable. So I'm pretty pleased in some ways, a bit disappointed, but I'll dust myself off and just keep learning and working harder. See you soon.